Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a bitcoin.com wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular bitcoin.com app that you have installed. Now from over here you do have three options, which includes signing in with your Apple ID, signing in with your Google ID, and entering your email address. Now I have chose the second option, signing in with Google ID. I'm going to tap on that. Now over here it will simply open up here in the browser where I have to enter my email first to confirm, then the password of my email ID. I'm going to enter my password and then simply tap on this next option at the bottom. Once I'm done, I'm going to receive an email on top, as you can see, for the confirmation. I'm going to tap on that email, and now over here I'm going to simply verify as that is me. For to move along, tap on yes, it's me, and then you will come back to your browser again and you can see sign into bitcoin.com wallet with your account. You can tap on continue as well, and finally you will be redirected to your app, and there you go, you have successfully created yourself an account. And that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.